Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 18 of the Practice What I Preach series, and in this video I'm going to discuss the importance of full range of motion. So on the screen you're going to see my workout for today. So today I did some dips followed with some bench pressing, some high rows supersetting. Oh, it wasn't a superset, so high rows and then some upright rows superset with the face pull, and then finishing off with a bit of arms, so some overhead tricep extensions and some rope curls. So what I do find is a lot of people don't really go into full range of motion. Okay, so and sometimes it's almost impossible to do that. So for example, with your bicep, to get a full range of motion, you need to put your arm all the way as far back as you can, fully extend it, and then bring it all the way above your head with your hand pretty much touching your shoulder blade. That is a full range of motion for a bicep. So some movements can't really do that, but for specific exercises, it's really important to get as much range of motion as possible. And that's for a few reasons. So the first one is to just make sure that your body can adapt to that kind of movement. So a lot of people come in, they're like, oh, my shoulders feel super stiff when I do X, Y, and Z. And if you look at their workouts, all they do is bench all day. So today when I was doing bench, I felt like I was rarely moving anything. Obviously I could have gone a little bit heavier, but I was just focusing on my technique and my form today. And I was finding that because I was right after a bench, I wasn't really getting a stretch at the bottom. So I used the dip more of a stretch just to kind of get my body used to being in this position, which can be important for jiu-jitsu or just for general shoulder health. And it's important because your body neurally adapts to it. So your brain kind of tells you, okay, this is an okay movement to do. Stop giving me pain. It shouldn't feel stiff. It shouldn't really feel tight. At the same time, when you go through these ranges of motion, certain tissues in your body will adapt. So soft tissues such as your muscles, your ligaments, all those kinds of things, they'll get used to being in this kind of position, this stretch position. So when you return to normal, your baseline posture feels a lot better. Like it's a lot more free. You're not feeling as stiff, as tight. So that's probably the first thing about range of motion. It just prepares your body to be in extreme ranges so that your baseline posture is pretty relaxed and you're not really feeling stiff and tight. And the second thing is for muscle growth. So as you put certain muscles into different ranges of motions, you're going to stretch the muscle fibers. So if you go down in depth, you're talking about like the breakdown of like individual muscle fibers. The more stretch you can put through them, the more kind of destruction of the muscle fibers you get. And it's that destruction of the muscle fiber that results in the compensation, which results in bigger, stronger muscles. So to get more muscle recruitment, which will result in, more size and more strength, it's important to really focus on controlled movement through full range of motion or even further into ranges of motion. And the key thing here is it's controlled. So if you watched my dips in the video and my rows in the video, I never really jerked or let the weight pull me around. I always had control of it at all times. So this is just teaching my body, activate these muscles in these ranges, keep me stable. I shouldn't really feel pain, anything like that. So just from a personal standpoint, when I started the workout, my shoulders felt like really gross. They felt super stiff, especially when I was doing the dips. But after the last set of dips, I had no problems with my shoulders. They felt super healthy and well lubricated, so I could do the rest of the workout without any issues. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. I apologize for the angles. The gym was very busy today, which is not surprising because it's, everyone's just getting back into the gym here in Sydney. So I'm very glad that everyone's prioritizing their health and getting back to some kind of movement. And I am excited to slowly increase the weight. So still working on technique, very high reps of 12 to 20. But in the coming weeks, it's going to increase the weight dramatically, and I'm going to decrease the reps, and I'm going to be more excited to get back in the gym and getting really sore and all that good stuff. So I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are. Stay safe, make sure to get your workout in, and until next time, take care, guys.